Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you that aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. Today we have the unboxing of the Nike Dunk Low Photon Dust, which released on May 19th for the retail price of $100. Very excited to have these. I did order them off of the sneakers app. I really liked this colorway. I never got the black and white Dunk Lows, which I really wanted because that's like a super classic style. So very happy to have these. So let's get into it. All right, so you have the normal Dunk box, which is red. I will put an up-close picture of the label as I do for you guys to see. So this was a women's release, so I did get it in a women's 8.5, which is my true size. These do fit true to size. I do have the green glow, and at first when I tried it on, I thought maybe it ran a little bit small, but after wearing it a little bit more, it does fit true to size.
Ooh, okay.
Always check for damage.
The hell is that?
Felt like a little grain something on there. I always check for damage because I usually have, or I used to get, I've been pretty lucky recently to get some shoes with some weird inconsistencies, but these look pretty good. Besides that little green thing on there, it looks relatively okay. But I love this colorway. I really like the gray. I think that it's a very neutral shoe. You know, I didn't really say anything about it, or did I? In the green glow unboxing with the sparkly laces, it's very interesting. They put like this weave into the lace that makes it almost sparkly. I'm not really sure, but I really like that on this shoe. I really love the colorway. I'm into gray, like the light gray. It's very nice neutral with the white. The leather on this is pretty similar to what we've seen in all GR Dunk Lows. It's not really particularly amazing, but it's not horrible either. I will feel the difference. So as you can see, the toe box is the same. It's the same. So leather is pretty much the same. Actually, the gray leather on this is a little softer, but it's not dramatically different in any particular way. So this colorway, of course, is that nice light gray on the toe cap, all through the mid, on the swoosh, through the heel, and then you have the contrast white. So white Nike stitching, white leather on the toe cap, on the mid, and on the midsole, you have the bottom, which is that nice light gray. A nice light gray sock liner, and on the interior of the shoe, you actually have a black contrast Nike logo, which is really a nice little pop, even though nobody sees it when your foot's in it. I think this is a really great, simple colorway. Right now, what I've been looking at is the resale on these. So the resale, I always like to discuss that because a lot of people are interested in that. So the resale on these pretty consistently around the $230-ish average for all sizes, and I do foresee it going up a tiny bit. The black and white Dunk Lows, which I would say are like one of the more comparable, although a lot more shoes were released of that particular colorway than this one. It did a big dip obviously after the release, and several little tiny dips after the multiple other releases that they had, but it stayed consistently around the $250 range per shoe. I think this will go up not as high as $250. I think it'll stay around $240. Eventually it'll go up a little bit more, but I think this is one of those shoes that is going to be one of the staples, and I really like this colorway a lot. I have to say, it's a very nice neutral. It's great for summer, and it's great for any season actually, because the colorway is so basic. So I really like it. I think you can't go wrong with this shoe. I'd say it's pretty on par with the other general release Dunk Lows that have come out. The quality is standard. It's not horrible. It's not great. It just is what it is. I do really think these are a great colorway. If you're interested in this colorway and you're looking to get it, or you're just looking to get a Dunk Low in a neutral colorway and it's saving you a couple bucks from the black and white and you just want to get your hands on one, I think this is a great pair to have. I do think that this is a very neutral shoe, and it's very nice for summertime. So with that being said, let us get into the Onfeet and up close.
When my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night, yeah. I go hard day and night, 1 to 1, no surprise. See the hate in their eyes. My brother's blood money bleed. I got the game in the squeeze. What would you do for some green? What would you do for some blues? Go pick and choose, the fam of the cheese. Some people not built like that. Some people get killed like that. Pressure like water, lights, mortgage, I been at bills like that. Now I got kids like that. No wonder why I feel like that. Some people go to war for nothing. Me, I go to war for something. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for something. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Where my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike. I go hard day and night. On the line, keep.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you aren't and you want to be a part of my little family here, please hit that subscribe button down below. We'd love to have you here. And let me know if you guys were able to pick up a pair, if you got them off of Sneakers or off of StockX, go wherever you got them. Let me know down below. I'm very interested to see. And if you're interested in seeing how I style all my sneakers, please go follow my Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen here. And if you have these and you styled them, please tag me in your styling pictures. I love to see how you guys style your outfits. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!